Welcome to the Vineyard Chicks homestead. In this video, you'll learn how we grow grapes from cuttings in propagation hotbeds. Thank you for being here, and if you enjoy this video, please share it on social media.
Hi, Bunkie here, and today I'm going to show you how I take care of my grapevine cuttings. So as you can see, I'm in the bird area with our emus and Mary the treasure girl, who right now thinks she's an emu. And over there, we have our milking goat here, Bunkie and Tyan, and you can see a bunch of videos with them in it. But here, Trey's going to build a lot of stuff, and stay tuned on our channel to see her make them.
To see all of the other buildings that we place into our bird area, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss those videos.
And she's going to build a huge lot of things in this area. Let's go out the vineyard and see what a grapevine looks. What our grapevines look like when they aren't cutting. So I'm in the vineyard now, and I'm in one of my St. Vincent rows, and look how far back that goes. So here's some of the leaves, and we're going to compare them from the cuttings. So let's see if we can find any fruit. There's some fruits up there, and we train this vine, St. Vincent, up to the top wire. I can't even reach that. So I'm back in the greenhouse, and as you can see, there is little things on our grape cuttings. Can you guess what they are? They are grapes, and we can't have this. So either if you buy your grape cuttings from us or someone else, you will need these 4 things. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 things.
Bunkie!
You need to make a hotbed, and you can even turn one of these containers, you can even turn upside down one of these containers upside down like this to make a hotbed. In the day, this greenhouse keeps them warm, and even at night, these rocks and these water bottles we filled even keep them warm at nighttime. Number 2 is wet. We water this every night, and these are just doing amazing. Number 3 is cut back the fruit and branches. Now we don't want to have all the energy come up to make all of these grapes. No, we want all the energy to go to the roots so they get better, stronger roots. I call this thrive versus survive. Now we don't want these guys to survive and make grapes. No, we want these to make good roots. Thrive and make good and better, stronger roots. So here's a little secret. I left some of my grape cuttings in Dad's tool bucket, and I got some water in the bucket when I was watering. So sorry, Dad. I think I ruined some matches too. But I want to show you something that I want to show you their little roots. Can you see them? Look, it has roots. Isn't that amazing? These roots can't handle these grape leaves and these grape fruit. So let me show you how we pull off the grapes. We're just going to pinch them off. And now we have a little grape. So, one done, 100 to go. I bet I know who's going to enjoy these. Can you guess? Of course, Mary the Cheshire Goat. And number 4, our final one, is keep them in your hotbed until fall. When the roots are fully developed. If you would like to see me plant these cuttings with wooding hormone, check out episode 4, and this is the way video. I'll post a link up here. So I hope this helps you with grape cuttings. And next, as you can see, my raspberries and fig tree is doing really great. And so, these are fig trees and they are getting so big, I'm really surprised with them. But I've been noticing something with my raspberries. And even though Willow Glow said not to count in Shedwood's videos, my science teacher said that you can't do any science without data. And so, I'm still counting.
Bunkie, you know you can't do that.
So, let's count our raspberries that didn't make it last fall. 1, 2, no, that's a grape. 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5. Now let's look for the raspberries from spring. All of them. Scientifically, planting raspberry cuttings in fall is better than planting them in spring. So, that is data, Willow Glow. Yep, I guess I was right. She will eat it.
So the story behind Bunkie's hat. This is attorney chicken Johnny, and he told Bunkie she can keep on counting in her Shed Wars videos. He's kind of her hero right now. We'll put links in the description below to all of the videos related to the case of Bunkie versus Will It Grow.
So please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss those videos.